So I'm here with Andrew Meehan of Harrogate Family Law, who's going to give us some top tips in choosing the right lawyer. Andrew, what kind of qualifications would you look for in a solicitor?
We need to look for 4 things. Firstly, you need to check that family law is all that solicitor does. They must specialise in family law. The second thing to look for is to check that the solicitor you want to instruct is an accredited specialist with resolution, because that is the toughest family law accreditation scheme out there. The third thing to look for is to look in the independent legal directories such as Chambers UK, because they will rank lawyers and law firms against each other following independent research. And then the final thing to look for is how well thought of the particular solicitor is in professional circles. And the way to do that is to look at whether they write in the professional journals or train other lawyers on important changes in family law.
People talk about lawyers needing to be very aggressive to get the right results. Is this really necessary?
Well, lots of people think that you need a Rottweiler for a family lawyer, but a Rottweiler is the very last thing that you need, because the more cornered the other person feels, the more acrimonious the case is likely to be, and the more money it's likely to cost you in the long run. Essentially, the more money you spend on legal fees, the less money there is left for you. So you do not want an aggressive lawyer. Instead, you should look for a solicitor who's a member of Resolution, because they will be committed to resolving these issues in a constructive and non-confrontational way. And in the long run, that will save you time and it will save you money. You should also look for whether that solicitor offers other options other than the court option. So look, for example, if they offer collaborative family law as an option for resolving the dispute.
How do people judge whether a solicitor offers real value for money?
Well, the first thing to look for is to make sure that the pricing structure is as transparent as possible, and you get a really clear estimate from the solicitor as to how much your case is likely to cost and what the worst case scenario is in terms of the costs. Secondly, don't judge a solicitor on price alone. A good solicitor will be able to do the job in half the time and will secure for you a lot better settlement than a much cheaper solicitor.